Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I am testing this lens that is on this camera. It's a 20mm 1.8 lens and I'm kind of impressed already. And to be honest, this lens wasn't really on my I gotta have it list. So I'm testing it now because I wanted a lens for my camera that I can vlog with, and 20mm is pretty wide actually. Right now I am holding the camera with a tripod and I have my elbow close to my body, so if I go all the way out you can see my surroundings, see a lot of me. So all the footage that you're going to see today is filmed with a 20mm 1.8 lens that I have on here. So I'm kind of excited. Don't know about you. It's pretty hefty, I gotta say. Holding up my camera with the lens on, definitely some biceps work included. One of the reasons I'm testing this lens is because I grew quite sick of filming my vlogs with action cameras. Yes, they're handy, yes, they're small, but I mean, look at the image. It's just so much better, and I already enjoy the nice depth of field, the quality of the image. I mean, it's heavy on my hand, but it's totally worth it if you ask me. Okay, so one thing that is very different compared to the action cam, not only the quality but also this whole setup is huge, and people are looking at me all the time wondering what I'm doing, where I feel like people got a little bit used to those smaller cameras being around and they kind of don't look at you that much and they're just fine with it, while with this camera everyone is looking, which makes me slightly uncomfortable, but you know, the quality is just so much better, so you gotta make sacrifices here and there. My first meeting for the day is done and it's already pretty dark outside, so I am heading to our next location. I'm sorry I can't take you long, but it's also not so interesting to listen to meetings, so. Alright, so my second meeting is over now. It was very quick and very efficient, I like that. And now I'm heading back, and it's really dark, but it's also very beautiful, which also brings me to that purchase that I did on the Photopia, which is the camera that I'm using right now, the Sony a7S3. If you watched my last video, you might have already guessed it because I wrote it over the footage. And yeah, I'm kind of curious how this footage will look. I wish I could film a little bit more, but my train is leaving soon. I kind of enjoy this combination of the lens and the camera. I think it's really great for vlogging. And yeah, let's head home, shall we? So, what's my verdict for the 20mm? I really like it, to be honest. I think the quality is great. Oh my gosh, I look sweaty. I am sweaty, so that's fair. I think the quality is amazing. I really like the focal length because I can adjust and don't have to hold my arm out all the time. I can be flexible with this and play around, so I really like that. I'm still curious how the 24mm will be like, or what it will be like to shoot with that one and vlog with that one. But so far, this is really impressive. And I like that you can go very close. I think it's 0.19 meters. So, I'm sorry I'm sweaty, but you're like this close to my face right now, so that's pretty impressive. So far so good. I'm curious how this will look like on my editing page, and I will make a video where I will compare both lenses as well, not in a vlog but just like a normal comparison video. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Let me know what is your favorite focal length for vlogging, and if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.